Something is happening. Could it be that it's something like this? What is going on, y'all? It's 2 o'clock. It's a Monday. The Monday before Easter. This can only be Easter Disco Workshop. What? Some people say I'm funny. I'm Easter Bunny. Why don't you hop along? Here we are, everybody. I'm the Easter Bunny. Hop along with me. I'm the Easter Bunny. Skip along. Yes, friends, I am the Easter Bunny. We've got peeps today. Little mini bunnies visiting. I don't know. All I know is y'all inspired me to buy a rainbow wig. We have a packed jam class today. I've got guests coming. We have door prizes. The new doorbell door prize song, because we got little chickies in the background. Call in to the workshop hop line. What? Without further ado, Whiskers. What? Oh, my makeup got all over. Disco Easter Workshop. Let's start with some announcements. Any announcements I make today, I will recap and put into an email for you for this week. Just sit back, enjoy. I may just wear wigs all the time now. So next week on Tuesday, group Zoom advising session. It is going in an email to you. Yeah. Awesome. Bunny pose. I'm going to turn the door light off because it's blinding. And I'm trying its face. It says its connection is stable. So in a holding pattern. I'm finding making daily schedules for myself has been helpful.
It is important to take breaks, especially if you're using a computer.
If you've just joined us, everybody, we're talking to Ed Moore. He's one of the librarians at USM.
Bandwidth is obviously being strained.
We're that popular.
I never knew how many times I touched my face till they told us not to do it.
Welcome to the Hopline.
Oh, this is awesome.
I've got play titles that have an animal in the title, and I've changed the title to be bunny appropriate. What is the actual real animal in the title of the play? Are you ready? The Hairy Bunny.
Hairy ape.
Yes, Lillian Hellman's play, The Little Bunnies. It is an animal you might see in Maine. Bunny on a hot tin roof. Yes, it is.
Cat.
It's cat. Good job. The Bunny Trap.
One of the longest running plays ever. The Mouse Trap?
Good job. 2 options here. You can pick one of the eggs and there's a prize inside, or Sarah will eat a peep. Prize egg, or you make me eat a marshmallow.
I want an egg.
Drum roll. Congratulations,
Those are cool.
Will.
I love dinosaurs. Please reach out to us, to me. The library is here to support you. It is what we do, and we haven't stopped doing it.
Thank you so much, and thank you for your good humor to play along with us today. 10 minutes till cat. Here they come. Call and get a door prize for a workshop. Are you ready to play for a door prize?
Yes.
Believe it or not, today, April 6th, in 1947, were the first ever Tony Awards. What was given out to the winners? And it's multiple choice. Was it the women got a rose and men got carnations? Women received a silver compact makeup case and men received a gold money clip or a gold cigarette lighter. Women received a pen and stationery and men received a cigar.
B.
Then you would be correct.
That was scary.
Yay! Oh my gosh, and the timer went up. See, I was dragging out the answer because I wanted to play the Price is Right theme.
I'm gonna choose an egg.
All right, which egg do you want?
No! I want to see Sarah eat a peep.
What's inside? Decorate Easter eggs! Yeah! It's Pippi, everybody! He just had a nap. We're going to try to get in touch with our local theater friend. For those of you who haven't yet met Brian, Brian comes to our shows. He runs Good Theater down in Portland.
So I haven't announced our next season. I had to move things around, and I can't say enough good things about the folks at Dramatists Play Service and Samuel French and the writers in Hammerstein Library, because I had to, deal with all of them, and they were right on it. I think people should challenge themselves to read a play a day.
Oh my gosh. Yeah.
I think that's like a really cool thing. And, at the end of a month, to take those 30 plays and just kind of look at how much you've covered in terms of genres and style and period, contemporary and classic.
Would you be interested in playing a door prize game?
Sure.
Hey, we have a caller.
I can hear Mike.
Oh, yay.
I can hear him, yeah.
So you and Mike have to confer and come up with the correct animal in the title. The bunny or who is Sylvia?
I think it might be a goat.
Yes.
That's it. Ding, ding, ding.
Yeah, Bunny Boy the musical. In fact, it's very appropriate to COVID-19. They think they've traced the virus back.
Oh, of course.
A pangolin?
No.
Bat Boy, the musical.
Bat Boy.
Oh, flies around. I thought you said lies around.
Oh, I'm sorry. Yeah, flies around. Bat Boy the musical. Is that a musical? Have you done that one, Brian?
I have not. I am not a huge fan of Bat Boy the musical.
What a bummer. Sometimes the Easter Bunny hides Easter eggs, and sometimes the Easter Bunny hides the internet connection. It was Mike's request that instead of a prize, I eat a peep. And in honor of this live stream going down the tubes due to the poor internet connection, I will eat this peep in one bite.
Magic eggs spread all around. You won't stop until I found magic eggs everywhere. Look over here, look over
It's really sugary. Next week, we'll finish the door prizes. And I may or may not eat another peep. Thank you to everybody who tuned in today for Easter Disco Workshop. And we will pick it up here next week. Maybe with the ears, with not, maybe not. I don't know. Probably not eating another peep. Have a great week. Take care of yourselves. We will see you again soon. Hopefully with better internet and fewer peeps. I think you're all amazing. One more thing, maybe? Say hello to Phileas the Easter Bunny. Bye, everybody. See you next week.